Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, today we're going to throw down some bug killer. Because with all this rain that's been coming around, I keep seeing all these bugs popping up. So let's do something about it. And then we're going to come from behind and spray down some Greene Pop fertilizer. Just straight liquid fertilizer. Stay tuned, folks. For the bug killer, nothing crazy. I just went to the big box store, Home Depot, got me some triazicide, and this kills on contact, and it also kills for the rest of the season. So it kills above and below, and over 150 different types of bugs. So get yourself a big old bag and throw it down.
Take my hand if you dare to stay. Feel the rush, take my breath away. If we fall, then we fall in flames. One more time, here we go again. Under the lights, we are transcending gravity. Pulse the rhythm like stars, we're never ending. We burn so bright, baby, the dawn is getting closer. Come near before it's over, we shine like supernovas. Under the lights, we are transcending gravity. Pulse the rhythm like stars, we're never ending. We burn so bright, baby, the dawn is getting closer. Come near before it's over, we shine like supernovas. Shine like supernovas. Shine like supernovas. No way back, we can slow it down. Feel the heat as it pulls us out. On the edge, yeah, we touch the flames. Hold your breath and count to 10. Under the lights, we are transcending gravity. Pulse the rhythm like stars, we're never ending. We burn so bright, baby, the dawn is getting closer. Come near before it's over, we shine like supernovas. Shine like supernovas. Shine like supernovas. I can feel the rise, hold on tight. I can feel the rise, hold on tight.
Alright folks, let's get down to business. Let's do what we came here to do. And that's to pop. Greene Pop, that is. We're gonna spray some Greene Pop on this lawn. This is 3,000 square feet. Calls for about 15 ounces per square foot. So that's about 45 ounces. I'm just throwing down about 32 ounces. I'm going a little bit lower dosage because I didn't want to go too crazy. Greene Pop is a pretty crazy fertilizer. This thing has a very high middle number. That middle number is phosphorus. I haven't put phosphorus down on my lawn since I can remember, so I'm going to give it a little spike, a little boost. It's only got about 16 nitrogen and 2 for potassium. And this phosphorus is just going to give a real jolt to the roots, the soil, kind of shake things up a little bit, if you will. And then, of course, with any next products, you got yourself some micronutrients, some biostimulants in there, right? Such as sea kelp and good old humic acid.
Real blood body, promise you can never pay her. You won't rock, baby, promise you can never. Real blood body, promise you can never pay her. You won't rock, baby, promise you can never. Real blood body, promise you can never pay her. You won't rock, baby, promise you can never. Real blood body, promise you can never pay her. You won't rock, baby, promise you can never. like body, promise you can never pay her. You won't like baby, promise you can never. Real black body, promise you can never pay her. You won't like baby, promise you can never. Real black body, promise you can never pay her. You won't like baby, promise you can never. Real black body, promise you can never pay her. You won't like baby, promise you can never. Black body, promise you can never pay her. You won't like baby, promise you can never. Real black body, promise you can never pay her. You won't like baby, promise you can never. Real black body, promise you can never pay her. You won't like baby, promise you can never.